जबरदस्त प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 कोपा वन पायामुल में दिव्य सज्जनों, अब वक्त है विमेन 62 यानी 62 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। पंजाब रॉयल्स की ओर से आ रही हैं भारतीय मूल की कुमारी अनीता। जबरदस्त प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 कोपा वन पायामुल में महिलाओं के 62 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले के लिए एमपी योद्धास की ओर से आ रही हैं अजरबैजान मूल की अलीसे मोनोलोवा।
थर थर कांपे धरती आसमान, तूफान भी कर सकते ना सामना। जो भी आके
Dawat Shabanbaz Pro Wrestling League Season 4 Kopa One Payamul. It's time for bout number 4. Studi Punjab Royals is sending in a 33-year-old Kumari Anita. And on the other hand, we got to see the statistics. We're waiting for that. Alisa Monolova from MP Yodha, 23-year-old, weight category of 62, is from Azerbaijan. Now that is at least quite a bit of an age difference, but does age really matter? Does strength only matters? Does presence of mind or agility or practice really matter? No. Everything put together is what makes a complete wrestler. On your screens, that's Alisa Monolova. And now, with that whistle actually making its official for this bout, this is women 62 kilogram category work. And right now, we get to see Fawad Singh having a conversation with one of the technical staff from Studi Punjab Royals. Both the wrestlers trying to check each other out. He's going to draw the first blood. There is an experience advantage I think Anita would have.
Right up one.
In 2015 National Championship, she won a gold medal. In 2014, she won a gold medal. And 2018 National Championship, she won a silver medal.
Red contact.
Alisa Monolova, on the other hand, in 2018 European Championship, she got a silver medal. World Championship under 23. In 2018, she won a silver medal as well from Azerbaijan. Fighting on behalf of MP Yodhas. Is MP Yodha going to open their account of the bout just about right now? That is what we are asking this question. Alisa Monolova right now trying to attack. Oh, the push-ups by Fawad Singh. Fawad Singh doing a brilliant job of his working out. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, Anita Kumari and Alisa Monolova head on head. We still have to see if any point gets scored. Oh, that's an interesting tattoo that Alisa Monolova is now there, and Anita trying to get a takedown. Is she going to be successful? No, they still have to open that account. That account has still not been opened. With just about a minute and a half of time left in the first bout. They're trying to check each other out, maybe, before they draw the first blood. Anita is in the dark vest, and on the other side, Alisa Monolova, she is wearing a yellow outfit representing MP Yodha. Right now, it's a standing wrestling that is going on. Nobody has been taken down. Again, trying to find that opportunity. That's what Alisa is doing. Alisa, is she going to be successful in that? She's grabbed Anita by the shoulders. Is that going to be a takedown? The balance has to be offset. That's the only way. And when both your hands are busy holding your opponent, then you use your legs. These are the wonders of freestyle wrestling.
On the turn. Blue press out.
points fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, right now Alisha Manulova does have a little advantage. She has scored 1 point. We have to see, is it possible to increase the point difference? But not in this round for sure. Anita still has to open that account, but not possible as of now. Alisha Manulova has a 1 point advantage. Ladies and gentlemen, a special guest in the comm box right now. We have the CEO of Pro Wrestling, Mr. Sunilesh Kalra. Sir, welcome.
Thank you, Joe.
And please take our viewers further with this bout as of now, because this is a low-scoring game, though Anita is attacking. Now, is it possible to convert that into points? That is not possible right now. One more time, pushing down Alisha Manulova. 125 kilogram category had 8 points on the score.
Right.
And right now you see only 1 point on the scoreboard, and this is like half the body weight.
Well,
and as compared to people who think, oh, that's a takedown, that's a brilliant takedown by Alisha Manulova. But in response, Anita's grabbed that leg. That attack was actually been deterred and has been converted to her advantage. Alisha Manulova could only get a 2 point advantage.
Well, you've got to give credit to our Indian wrestler Anita here. She's the cop mom, as we call her. She's got all the grit and determination. She's putting up a brave fight. She's put up 2 more points. So the distance between them is only a single point. Let's see how it shapes up to go.
What a brilliant way Anita went on. This is the action replay where this is the 2-pointer which we were looking for. Alisha got that point, but then after that, that is Anita's response, and she got some points for her. So it is a points difference. This is just like it was when the bout started. So we're back to square one with 1 point difference. It's not about how many points you score, it's about how many points difference that you have. It's how much you have to work hard for.
Yes, in a way it is certainly the story. But today it's neck to neck. Alisha Manulova has to win it because her team is trailing, and this was considered as the strongest female team of the tournament right now.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we must tell you, now let me break that climax that you've been all looking at, that it's not about the weight, it's not about high or low scoring. Those points could not have been scored because the other person on which the points are to be scored has such a high level of defense, has such a strength that your opponent cannot actually break a chink in your armor and get those points on. That is one of the reasons. So here, it's not about age, it's about experience. It's not about experience, it's about agility. It's not about agility, it's about the height difference or the reach. It's not about that, it's about training. So what is it? It's a contradiction of sorts. That is the brilliance of this sport. And it is not have to be a high-scoring sport. By the end of the day, you have to spend 6 minutes on this mat like it was your last few 6 minutes of your life.
It's a brilliant example of Indian wrestling and the Russian wrestling. Listen, remember, Alisha Manulova, born in Bulgaria, now plays for Azerbaijan and trains with one of the best weight categories in the world. And let's look at her. Indian girl from Punjab, the cop from Haryana, standing tall with just 1 point difference. Has she made it? No. It's Alisha Manulova and MP.
Finally, MP Yodha opening up their bout account just about the right time, ladies and gentlemen. What a brilliant bout it was. You might call it a low-scoring bout, but it was a well-fought and a hard-fought bout, where by the end, Anita lost it to Alisha Manulova of Azerbaijan. MP Yodhas has opened their account, but the bout score is Punjab Royals 3 and MP Yodhas just 1.
मतलब पंगा